The EVAP system is linked to your vehicle's emissions control systems and is in charge of protecting the environment from the terrible stuff that the vehicle creates. If your car has a leak, it won't catch fire, but it's not something you should overlook. What is an EVAP system? The EVAP system, Evaporative Emissions Control system, in your car prevents gasoline tank vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. All cars and trucks must have an EVAP system to protect the environment from toxic fuel vapors and to keep you from inhaling them. Can you drive with an EVAP leak? It is technically possible to drive with a leak, but it is strongly discouraged. While driving, you are unlikely to burst into flames, but you will be exposing other people and the environment to the gases from your vehicle. What causes the leak? The most typical cause of an EVAP leak or an EVAP leak issue code is an improperly fastened gas cap. This usually occurs immediately after filling up the automobile at the gas station. When the check engine light illuminates, many people rush to the technician, only to discover that the gas cap was not properly fastened, or that they failed to turn off their automobile engine when refueling. An EVAP leak could also be the result of a hose leak or a faulty O-ring seal. How do you tell if an EVAP leak in your car? The check engine light is the primary indicator of EVAP leaks. You may notice a slight fuel odor, however, the problem manifests differently in different automobiles. A loose gas cap is a typical problem that can cause the check engine light to illuminate in modern vehicles when the ECU detects a fault with the EVAP system. If you see the check engine light and haven't recently filled up with gas, utilize a code reader or take your car to a shop for diagnosis. What will it cost you to fix the leak? You should expect to pay up to $600 to correct a leak in your vehicle's EVAP system, depending on where the leak is in the system and whether or not there is other damage. You can diagnose the problem yourself if you have an OBD2 code reader at home, but it's best to leave the repair to the specialists. That's all for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.